Weight loss, the most famous goal of many people when it comes to fitness. Hey there, namaste. New category to discuss, and today we shall talk about beginner yoga sequence for weight loss by Tummee.com, a yoga sequencing app for yoga teachers. By the end of the sequence explanation, you will know how can students tone their body, which poses help in doing so, and how do those poses help. Weight loss is a popular goal for many, and most of the times people like to hide the reason behind gaining weight. Only bad eating habits is not the cause. A stressful lifestyle causing less sleep, no fitness regime, bad digestion, and sometimes even hormonal issues can cause weight gain. Mostly people gain weight around the hip region and the stomach region due to various reasons. So simple weight loss is not based on only fitness. Yoga is a slow and a progressive form of fitness. Hence, with regular practice along with increase in the level of yoga, the muscles get toned leading to weight loss and right distribution of weight in different regions of the body. So we encourage regular practice, at least 2 times a week with addition of Surya Namaskar to see the results. This sequence has poses which focuses on losing weight in the tummy, buttocks and the hip region. This is a 20-minute sequence, but you can either add more rounds of this flow by holding each pose for less than a minute or hold each pose for 1 minute and more and reduce the number of rounds. You can choose to do any depending upon what your students find comfortable. Now, this is a pure hatha sequence. We start with Balasana, with a forward bend and pressing the abdomen against the thighs helps in higher digestive system, ensuring the metabolic rate is high. Ask students to inhale and tuck in their tummy with an exhale, giving more control over the stomach. Next, students do Locust Pose, where the tightened buttocks and pressing the stomach against the ground helps in losing weight in the tummy and the buttocks by creating tighter muscles. The arms are also engaged, hence the arms are also getting toned. From here, students go into downward facing dog, helping in losing weight in the arms, tummy and the chest region. When inhaling and exhaling, ask the students to tighten the abdominal muscles to get the tummy fat down. This pose also activates the Agni Chakra, which ensures better digestion, good sleep, less stress, and an energized feeling. Next, students go into Veerabhadrasana 1, where the pose helps in toning the arm muscles and leg muscles, that is the thigh region. The stretch ensures engagement of that region, tightening those muscles. From here, students flow into Viparita Veerabhadrasana, stretching the torso, helping in losing weight in the abdomen and the thighs because of the active engagement. Coming back to Veerabhadrasana 2 and then flowing into Utthita Trikonasana, where the twist ensures engagement of the abdomen muscles, the extension of arms toning the shoulder blades and upper back. The balance in the feet ensures strong legs, helping in losing any excess weight in the legs. Next, students go into Prasarita Padottanasana. The wide legs forward bend helps in creating a stretch in the glutes and toning the buttocks. The forward bend allows engagement of the abdominal muscles, which tones the tummy region. After which, students sit down in Malasana, ensuring the engagement of the hips, helping in toning the thighs and the hips, along with reducing the belly fat. Lastly, the student relaxes in Vajrasana with eyes closed and notices all those engaged regions. This was one round of the different poses which help in stretching muscles in the thighs, glutes, engagement of the core which helps in losing the fat in the buttocks, hips and the tongue. Students then repeat the poses for the next round and this time on the other side of the body for Veerabhadrasana 2, Viparita Veerabhadrasana and Utthita Trikonasana. After coming to Malasana, students sit down to go into Navasana. This pose is a core engagement pose where the abdominal muscles are tightened, helping in losing the belly fat. The tightened leg muscles help in losing fat in the sides of the thighs. Lastly, students relax in Shavasana, releasing and focusing on breath. So have poses and stretches to those regions of the body that need to lose fat. Active engagement and stretches in the muscles will ensure toning. Now create your own sequence having such poses, maybe this time for the fat in the upper arms, and add it to the comment section below, helping your fellow teachers. Any help needed, please reach out to us through mail. We're sharing a Facebook review by a user. Thank you very much. We're glad for such amazing reviews and that you're liking our product. Like our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel because our next sequence will be beginner sequence for full body warm up. Thank you and see you there.